Okay, y'all, so let's make strawberry cheese danishes using DivineKuizine sugar spice. Happy Valentine's, or I don't know if when y'all will see this, but you know I got my little Valentine outfit on or whatever for this. I thought this would be really cute for Valentine's Day for the kiddies or just for y'all. Just a great little thing, but you could really do this with your kids. So we're gonna make strawberry danishes. So we're gonna go ahead and make the filling, and we're gonna make them heart shaped, so it's gonna be really, really cute. Or if you're having a brunch with your girls or something like that, you can have these out, you know, with your little drinks and everything like that. So let's get started. So I have some room temperature cream cheese. And you want a room temperature because you kind of want it to be softened, you know what I'm saying? So I got some room temperature cream cheese. And this is super simple. And then we have 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. We're going to be using the DivineKuizine sugar spice. So this is going to be another way you can use one of our products in DivineKuizine sugar spice. It's always a sweetener, so you can use it like for desserts, you can use it on your vegetables, but this is another way that you can use it. It's kind of like warm spices, so it has, you know, your cardamom, it has a little bit of nutmeg in there, it has brown sugar in there, everything is organic. So we're going to go ahead and put some of that in there. And we're going to put when I'm doing it. Yeah. 2 tablespoons of the sugar spice, DivineKuizine sugar spice. And then we're gonna do 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So you're gonna do 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And that's pretty much it for the filling. And then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna use our, you could stir this, you know, use a whisk or whatever, but I'm just gonna go ahead and use a mixer to get it nice and smooth. So now I got this little gadget from Michael's. So you're supposed to be easier. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it has 2 compartments, like if you want to do 2 different colors, but since we're just gonna use this, we're not coloring it or anything like that. We're gonna go ahead and put our cream cheese filling in here, and it should be easier for us to pipe onto the pastries. So I'm getting ready to cut up the strawberries that we're gonna make with these danishes. So it's real easy. You just wash your strawberries, of course. Then you're just gonna cut the tops off. So it looks like that. So now I have some puff pastry here. And this will give me pretty much about 6. I did stretch it out a little bit when I opened it, so I just kind of stretched it out just a little bit, just to, you know, a little more room for it to give 6. And then we're gonna do 2 different sizes. So I have some cookie cutters here. So I have a big heart, and then I have the little heart where we're gonna put the cream cheese at. And this, like I said, will make 6. So you get 2 in a package of the puff pastry. So we're gonna make 12 all together. It's like 6 on each one. So we're gonna cut it. And I'm gonna take the little one, and I'm going to, it's not that much little, but just a little. Let's see how it looks. A little smaller. I'm trying to make an indentation in it of some sort. Do the best I can. So it kind of looks like something like this when it comes out. If I had a smaller one, you could make it even smaller. But these are the 2 sizes that I have. And then we're going to take some of that cream cheese filling that we made. And so let's try this. See if this will work for us, y'all. And basically, you just, honestly, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to squirt it out. It looks like something like this. So once you have that all done, we're going to take our strawberries that we sliced. And we're just going to take them. You kind of can put like 2 on there a piece. You know, make it look nice. This is gonna be a got them on the non-stick pan. So now we're gonna put them in the oven at 400 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes, just depending on how your oven is. Out of the oven. So it really was quick. It was 400 degrees and it probably did it for about 5 to 6 minutes, but my oven gets pretty warm. So you can do it from between 10 to 15 to 13 minutes, depending on how your oven is. So they look good, and so I'm just gonna put a little powdered sugar on top. And there you have it. Strawberry heart-shaped danishes for Valentine's Day. All right, so we finished them up. So some tips I will give you on this is to make sure your puff pastry is kind of still cold at refrigeration, because the first one I did, it was a little too warm, so it was kind of like sticking to the cutting board. So that's a tip that you could use. And that was pretty much it. Everything else is pretty much easy. You're gonna spread on the cream cheese and you're gonna put your strawberries on top. And then it's gonna be, like I said, between that 10 to 15 minute time, depending on what your oven is. So now I'm gonna get ready to taste one. Perfect. It's nice and flaky, like, you know, puff pastry is. The strawberries are sweet but tart at the same time. Then you got that cream cheese filling, which is not too sweet but sweet enough. Where we use the DivineKuizine sugar spice in that to help sweeten it. It's good. This is like a perfect thing, like if you're doing brunch or with the kids could get involved in this. To get this recipe and more, go to DivineKuizine.com and hit that notification button and subscribe to either my website and also YouTube. Subscribe. Love y'all. Chef Shay.